She said alright.
Why do you say alright?
Good morning!
Alright, so now we're at...
It is day...
I don't know.
Day something. 6 I think. And we are at Featherdale, Sydney Wildlife Park. What are we gonna do here?
I'm going to hang out with the quokkas.
Yep. So we see a lot of cute animals. Let's go.
Just float. Do you float when you sleep? Idiots everywhere. Anyhow, you just threw the food in the cup on the floor. Seriously, then you scare the cat. Happy. One of their daughters, which is about 3 years old now, so they're she'll be out and about. She'll still live with the family for a few more years, but so for the two that are hand raised, like, they're really comfortable being around us. So we've got Lucy coming up here first on the right, and then Pistachio on the left. So Pistachio, she's the Joey, even though she's now outgrowing mum. Now they do have some sharp claws, so just try and not make any sudden movements with them on, because they might feel a little bit scared and jump off, and that's when they can scratch you accidentally. But apart from that, they have really good balance, so they'll just come and sit up on your lap. Yeah. So out in the wild, they'd quite happily eat all of this grass, these leaves, all of that. So all of these things on the ground at the moment are a distraction. Make it a little bit of a step here.
Oh, this is a microphone. I don't have food. It's over.
To lure. They're generally quite responsive, so as soon as they grab the food, they'll grab and eat. But otherwise, yes, they should.
Hello.
She has a quokka sitting on here. Yeah.
Are you balancing well?
Yeah.
You're so strong. You have such strong legs.
So yeah, there is very few subtleties. Now with you want to look up this way real quick? We'll get this photo.
See more. I'm here interviewing our little quokka. Hello sir, how are you? How are you doing today? Is your food yummy? Yes? Delicious! Chew chew chew! Hello!
Perth is geographically.
Yeah.
There's a little island called Rottnest Island off the coast there, and we only have around about at a total of 15,000 in our quokka population, and about 10,000 of that total population just live on Rottnest Island alone. So it's a little holiday resort for them. They don't have to worry about anything like any predators like feral dogs or cats or foxes or dingoes out there, so they can live quite peacefully. But we do have populations that live on the mainland, around about 4 or so odd thousand, and they live in a small pocket just around the Perth region as well. But those ones there do have to worry about those predators.
He's gone. We can take it now. He said if we take one, all will follow, right?
Yes.
So we take this one. I think it's pistachio.
Yeah.
Then, actually, I don't know. I lost track. But anyway, we're just gonna take them all. Hello. They're very chao-kuan. They don't like the sweet potato skin. They only eat the sweet potato. Yeah.
They're just like our kids. Don't eat the extra things. They just eat the main part. Like, you know, when they eat bread, they don't eat the crust. Same thing.
Nope. 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 Nope.
You know how Yana always says that you look like you're gonna fight? You look like.
Aww. Right now we are having lunch with koalas and lots of kids here. Okay, so what do we have? Let's give them a run through. We have custard bun, rice cake, thin rice cakes, cucumber dip, and salmon. These are called short-dipped echidna, not enchiladas. Enchiladas is the food.
Okay, then the lady walking out got a shock.
Anyway, we decided to get a $3 cup of food because I want to see her feed the animal. Then we have a minimum purchase of $5 to use for cards. So we ended up buying 2 cups because we don't have cash. I'm scared for you.
Just come in, just come in.
Try.
No.
I want to feed the baby. Can you go away? Go away, please.
You give the baby.
You go away. You go away.
I think baby cannot. It's still the baby food.
Yeah. Why?
You can feed from inside. But I feel scared. I'm done. My food. No. No.
Oh no.
Oh gosh. My food is... I left my food there because I'm so scared. I got it back. So I actually filmed this already, but then I had to refilm because we have clothes everywhere in the room that we just did laundry yesterday night. Story about the laundry last night, okay? So we were just having a good time deciding, okay, we should do laundry. So the laundry is just like diagonally across this little house, but it's outdoors, okay, and it's on its own. So after 8 p.m. the sun sets. So we decided to do about 7 plus p.m. Was it 8? Yeah, anyway, we did about 8. And when we did the laundry, we didn't realize that it was gonna rain. So it started raining, and then halfway through, we had to put our clothes into the dryer. So we ran in the rain with our umbrellas and lots of bugs. Yeah, so now we finished our laundry, and then yeah, we were so scared because it was lightning. Then when we were coming back on the door, the stupid lights just short circuit and everything just crashed. So I left her outside and then she was like, I cannot see. Then no one on the light. Then okay lah, within like 3 seconds or 5 seconds the lights would turn back on. But yeah, it was quite funny. Okay, so back on to today. So today we were at Featherdale in the morning. After that, we were supposed to just grab coffee and then go back to our place like here. But we ended up finding a 3-story mall with 6 different departmental stores. So there's Kohl's, Woolworths and LD for the supermarkets. And then they have Target, TK Maxx and Big W. Yeah, dude, we had like so much. So like they have like 3-hour free parking and whatever. So we just went in and then we like said, okay lah, 3 hours should be more than enough. But we made it barely, like we went there for like 2 hours and 55 minutes or something. Yeah. So that was fun. And then we bought a huge pack of roasted chicken, and then we sat outside the house to eat. And this bunch of burly men across the street We're just laughing so loudly. Like a giggle, but not really. It's a goggle. Yeah, so that's the end of today. Yeah, so now we're gonna pack up our luggage to make sure that everything is that we have bought has a space to be in, so that we can buy more stuff the next few days. Yeah, and we will see you tomorrow when we drive. The people watching, yeah, when we drive to me and her, okay, me and you drive down to back to Sydney to return the car. Yep, so let's see you tomorrow. Bye.